Hello, here's a brief setup guide for those of you wanting to get your new MOZA CRP2 pedals set up in any simulator. Let's go! Firstly, you want to plug in your CRP2 pedals into either your MOZA wheelbase through the included RJ12 cable or through to your PC through a USB-B cable. If you plugged it into your MOZA wheelbase, just power it on through the power button on the back, and once it's done, head on over to the MOZA Pit House software. If you do not have this crucial piece of software downloaded, head on over to MOZA's website or go to this link on the screen and go through the setup process. On your first time setting up the CRP2 pedals, you'll get a confirmation prompt asking you to set up the pedals. Click yes, then head on over to the left hand side of the screen and click on the pedals icon and you'll get to this page. This looks a bit complicated, so I'll break it down for you now. At the very top, you'll see the currently active pedal input, not to be confused with MOZA's M Booster active pedals that is indeed compatible with the CRP2s, where if you press a pedal, the corresponding colors will show up here. Just below that are the pedal curves, meaning that you can change the response of each pedal during its travel. I'd recommend keeping these linear, but for those of you with a specific need, you'll find that right here. And then just below that are toggles for reversing the pedal input, for some legacy titles that might require it, buttons to start the calibration process for each pedal, and then for the brake, specifically a slider to tell the pedal what ratio to calculate the brake travel. I would recommend keeping this way more skewed towards the load cell, but as always, this is all up to your own personal needs. Now, you should just be able to hop into any sim racing title, and if you go through the calibration process, the pedals should work as intended. Thank you very much for watching, and if you need help getting your other MOZA peripheral set up, there is plenty more on this channel to help you. Bye bye!